insert encouraging and motivational music here. But try these journal prompts and let me know how they go. So now I am going to Hobby Lobby to look for some satin fabric, but also maybe look for a backdrop. My mother is with me. So I'll show y'all the process of that. Oh, this is cute. Hello. I bought some the book holders, so I won't be having to hold it. And then I also got one that holds the pages open for the pop-up shop. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is cute.
Could you put a print like that on your t-shirt? Like
a cheetah print?
Yeah.
I was thinking about it. I'm gonna play with it and see. So here's the fabric. Ooh, this one is pretty. If I had to use it, probably because it's shiny.
What is paper?
Ooh, this one is real pretty. I guess Granny could have made my own. This be cute for a dress. Oh, this is satin, right? I meant to bring the candles because it's orange, like a light purple, and then cream. Probably for the Christmas colors, huh? No, not that one. I could make a skirt out of this. This one cute, mama. A skirt with this fabric.
Yeah.
That's cute.
That's cute.
Y'all, so my mama found these. So I have an orange, like a mango scented candle. I have a lavender purple candle, which I'll probably get one of these. I think I might get this one. And then it's a coconut scented candle. Ooh, I like these too. Mom, what about these? My mom wants to show me what she wants to create.
A faux leather. With the wide leather. Oops.
Y'all, this is cute. This is a trouser. I could definitely do that. Also, I found the fabric that I want to use. Do a cream, a light purple, and a chocolate. My mama helped me out. So now I'm just gonna get it cut. I didn't want too much, like a pillowcase. I don't know the measurements. A pillowcase, nothing.
I'll tell you what, this is 5 feet wide, so I can't do anything about that.
Okay.
But we're gonna push this guy out of the way. Think like a or 3/4, like a full-size pillowcase. You know what I mean?
It doesn't need to be because it's just for a candle.
Oh, so maybe a third of a yard less, quarter of a yard.
I'll do where your finger, like the way you got it right now.
To here?
Yeah.
It's about half a yard. Let's look at that a little.
And then I can make it a pillowcase later.
That way, afterwards, maybe you can use it.
Yep.
Right. And this, of course, polyester. You would think getting satin wet would stain it, but
Right.
works out fine. You're good to go. So about the same of these?
Yep.
So you sell items and you're just looking for backdrops.
Yep.
Jewelry, you said?
Candle.
Oh, candle.
Yeah.
Everybody, what are you doing?
Uh-huh.
And I mean, you can tell me or you don't have to. I mean, if it were some kind of secret, I don't mind. My thing, truth be told, I need rehab because I have such an addiction to changing out my window treatments. You know, I really I change them out way too much. And the husband, when he was alive, he would.
So I got the fabric. I just got a pillowcase size of, and reminded to myself to make a content how-to videos for a budget. So we'll see how it goes. And I'm gonna look around to see if they have like fake food props. Oh yeah, I found a peach thing to do for the content for a video idea I have, which is these peach fruits. I was looking for blueberries. I don't really have them. They have these, but I have an idea to like drop the blueberries on the candle. I was looking for like a coconut, but they don't got that either. I just got my package for the tar, the tearaways. So I did it through Uline. That stuff came quick. Like I literally ordered this yesterday.